So here we have the Ford Transit on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you the space in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. So this is the side access to the van. Of course, you have the two rear doors at the back. As you can see, it's all been ply lined. We also have this full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And then above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the van. They are 9,723. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information displayed there for various bits of fuel economy and trip computer information. And that's done using the buttons just here. We then have phone and stereo controls. Stereo controls continue on the left with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Over in the centre, we have the main touchscreen for the van. So this is where you'll find your stereo. There are various ways in which you can listen to your music. AM, FM and DAB radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And there are two separate USB inputs. So one just here, along with a 12-volt charging socket, and the other, again, with a 12-volt charging socket just there. So loads of ways to listen to music. We can go back to the home screen from up here. And this is where you would pair your phone. So here, add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Follow the instructions on screen from there. With the main volume for the stereo, we have the fan speed. The temperature is adjusted with this dial, and then the direction of the air in the middle here. When you're happy with those settings, that button will turn your air conditioning on. Same button again to turn that off. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. We've then got a heated front screen, heated door mirrors, heated driver's seat, and heated passenger seat. There are 3 different heat settings for the seats. And then finally, a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.